Hello my beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you one of my favorite hairsprays that is very effective, and with the ingredients, if you cannot find any of them, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. You can click on it to purchase any of them. But before getting to the recipe, let me give a shout out to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really appreciate you clicking on this video, and I can promise you you're going to learn a lot before you leave. So this is rosemary herbs. Rosemary is very popular. I think a lot of people trying to grow their hair and use natural ingredients in their hair care journey have already tried rosemary. It is one of the effective natural hair ingredients that can help stimulate new healthy growth and also prevent hair breakages. This is also Amla powder. Amla organic powder is also great when it comes to hair growth. Amla is kind of underestimated because people cannot easily find it. But again, there is a link in the description box that you can click to purchase these ingredients. Amla will promote hair growth. It will condition your hair to prevent your hair from breakages. My next natural ingredient is Fenugreek organic powder. But hey yo, you know how it's over here. But if you're new here and you don't know how it's over here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So again, this is my Fenugreek organic powder. Fenugreek contains ions and minerals that will strengthen your hair strands to prevent it from breakages. Adding Fenugreek to your hair care routine will stimulate your healthy growth and also treat your scalp. So I just put my rosemary herbs in a mason jar. I'm also going to add some hibiscus powder. Hibiscus is also very effective when it comes to caring for your hair and growing your hair. Hibiscus will condition your hair, will strengthen your hair strands, and improve the texture of your hair. It can also help resolve issues like dandruff and itchy scalp. So I just put a little bit of my hibiscus into the mason jar, and at this time I'm going to add all the other ingredients to the mason jar. I'm also going to add some moringa powder. Moringa is really great when it comes to hair growth. Moringa will stimulate blood flow to your scalp. It has iron and other minerals and vitamins that will also strengthen your hair strands and help you grow your hair much faster. All the ingredients I put together in this recipe are so powerful. I ended up using about half a tablespoon of each of them, and also to remind you, you don't need too much. It all depends on the quantity you are trying to make. So after putting everything together, I'm going to add some warm water to it, top the mason jar up, and I'm going to set it aside and allow everything to come together for about an hour. Then we're going to move on to the next step. It is very important to pay attention to this recipe because it is super effective, but you have to know the best way to use it. I'm going to show you some tricks that you need to know when it comes to using this recipe in order to get all the benefits out of it. So make sure you're paying attention and you're not skipping any part of this video. Alright, so it's very important to strain this recipe because you do not want any of those particles to be stuck in your hair. So use anything with tiny holes, a cheesecloth, a paper towel, anything that has tiny holes that can hold all the little particles from the ingredients so they do not stuck in your hair. So at this point, let me show you a trick. Add any favorite oil of your choice. I decided to add extra virgin olive oil because it's one of my favorite hair oils and I love it. Adding oil will help this recipe stay in your hair much longer and also it wouldn't dry out your hair. Also add any essential oil of your choice. Essential oils have their own added benefits when you add them to your DIYs. They're going to improve the fragrance of any DIY and they also can treat your scalp and help stimulate new healthy hair growth. So I added a few drops of my lavender essential oil and I love the smell. So at this point, I'm going to transfer my recipe into a spray bottle. But hey, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. At this point, the recipe is all ready. Very easy to prepare but super effective. You're going to use this as a leave-in. Do not rinse it out. Spray this on your scalp, on your hair strands, and massage it in. After using this, make sure to follow with a leave-in conditioner and a hair moisturizer. I just love this recipe. Give it a try and let me know your thoughts about it. Use this 3 to 4 times a week or every other day or whenever your hair feels dry. Be consistent for faster result. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one.